How to fix someone has access to your screen message problem. So if you are facing this error, there must be a bug issue. For that, you have to go ahead and open your phone setting. So from here, scroll down until you find the option of apps and tap on it. There you will see default app, tap on the default apps and make sure that on the SMS app you are using your default messages and not some third-party application. Now once you have made sure of it, go ahead and select all apps. In the search bar, go ahead and search for messages and select the default one. Then force stop this application and head to storage and cache, then clear the cache. Once you do this, head back and check for your permissions. Make sure that the permission granted in this application is by your consent. Now once you have checked it out, the final step that you can do is press and hold your power button of your mobile device. Then you will find the option of restart or reboot. Simply go ahead and restart or reboot your mobile device. Now once you do this, the little bug issue must be solved. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.